In today's video, I am going to teach you how to present a Miro. To begin, open Miro and go to the board you want to present. This can be a brand new board or an existing one you have already filled with content. Before you start presenting, take a moment to make sure the board shows what you want your audience to see. It helps to zoom out briefly so you understand where your key areas are on the canvas, then zoom back in to your starting point. Next, look to the upper right corner of the board and press the Present button. This switches you into presentation mode, which is designed to help you guide viewers through your board in a cleaner, more focused way. Once you click Present, your board will shift into a format that is easier to walk through, especially if you are sharing your screen in a meeting. After you enter presentation mode, click on Highlight. The highlight feature is what helps you bring attention to the exact area you are talking about. Instead of letting the audience get distracted by everything on the infinite canvas, highlighting keeps the focus on one part of the board at a time. This is especially useful when your board is busy with diagrams, sticky notes, or multiple sections. Continue by clicking Highlight again. In practice, you will use Highlight repeatedly as you move from one topic to the next. Each time you highlight a different area, you are essentially guiding the viewer's eyes and making your presentation feel structured, even if the board itself is large. When you shift the highlight, try to pause for a moment before you begin speaking about the new area so the audience has time to visually catch up. Finally, click Highlight again to emphasize the next section you want to discuss. Keep your movement steady and intentional. If you move too quickly between highlighted areas, people can lose track. A helpful tip is to speak first about what they are looking at, then explain why it matters, and then transition to the next highlighted area. That covers everything you need to know.